My mum's planets, they're better off. They know what's
Go. Ready?
Ay, Mari Carmen. O sea. Bueno, pues voy a empaparla. Voy a coger el vestido. Mamá, sí, muy bonito. Pintón de
I am. So we knew it was going to thunder today, but oh my god, here we go. Here we go, thunder. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Yeah, just a little shower on. What's the signal like? Is it okay? Okay. Wow, it's coming down now. Oh, thanks, Sam. Some people are still on the beach. One person over there, look. See the sky down there, look. We just went in the sea as well. We just went in the sea as well. Did you bring your umbrella?
Ah, pues sí, yo voy a poner los pies. Ah, pues sí, yo voy a poner los pies.
Four, three, two, bit faster here. So this is Levante Beach. We're in between Rincon de Loix and the Old Town, directly in between. There's Peacock Island, Rincon de Loix and the Old Town, directly in between. There's Peacock Island. This is the first rain that we've had all week. Like proper rain. Wow. It's coming down now. It's nice and refreshing though, because it has been really, really humid. Claire, are you here for the ELD at the Orange Hotel? I think Claire's going. Claire's coming to Benidorm with Julie Clarkson. think you'll be alright next week. Say hi to Steve for me. If you're there, Steve. Are you coming here as well? This is the first time it's rained all week. Well, since I've been here anyway. I have lost my voice, by the way. I've only just got it back. Yeah, you're coming with it. Wow. Can't even see the hotels in front. I think it's gonna pass soon. So this shop's called M47. Outside M47. But I think it'll be past soon. I think it's easing now a little bit. Yeah, it's really heavy, Anne. Really, really heavy. Has anybody got a boat? I think it's easing now a little bit, yeah. And then the sun will come back out. Yeah, Anne says you can buy some dry clothes before you go. Oh, it's still carrying on. Wow. I'll send you a picture later on. Send you a picture. They say, come still really, really humid, so I think it could get heavier. Thanks for sharing, Howard. So don't forget, if you're new, don't forget to follow and share this broadcast. We're here in Benidorm. This is Levante Beach, between Rincon de Loix and the old town. And look, huge thunderstorm here right now. Just passing over. We're just stood here waiting for it to pass over. got 156 people watching back home. See there at the top, 164 now. Let me know where you're watching from. I bet it's sunny at home, isn't it? But it's mobility scooter. This is Benidorm. Benidorm. Not Filey, or Filey. Not Filey. Peter says it's a nice day in Sussex. Anne's watching in Denmark, but it's cloudy but warm. There's actually still there's a few people on the beach still. We've got actually there's even people in the sea. Have you seen the people in the sea swimming? It's intermittent rain in Liverpool. Sunny and warm in Blackpool. Sunny and warm in Blackpool. Nana Ju says. Cloudy and warm in Kent. And it's sunny in Oldham as well. Thanks for the like. Oh, thanks for sharing, Jane. Look at it all just pouring down the strip on the front. Thanks all for the follows. Yeah, it's starting to clear I think now, but you can start to, yeah, the old town over there, you can see it's starting to zoom in. So this is Benidorm. 14:23 in the afternoon on the 4th, is it? 4th of September? I think it's the 4th today. Yeah, 4th, Wednesday the 4th. It's still thundering a little bit though. Well, I'm going to end it here, so thank you for watching. It's easing a little bit now, so and then everybody will be back on the beach enjoying the sunshine. No, it's not Leeds, no, although it could be with the amount of rain we get. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.